Strongly bullish UMAC is up 40, let's get it, 46.03%. This is Friday, the 11th of July. Let's see what's going on. The stock is trending after reports that the Pentagon is accelerating its plans to deploy small drones on a large scale as geopolitical tensions and modern warfare needs drive urgent demand for advanced unmanned systems. The community sees UMAC as a key domestic player poised to benefit from this surge in government spending, especially given its positioning as a US based supplier during a time of heightened focus on national security and supply chain resilience. Adding to the intrigue is UMAC's reported connection to Donald Trump Jr., which traders believe could boost its political capital and visibility within defense circles, potentially opening doors for lucrative contracts or partnerships. The stock is also drawing attention from momentum traders due to its unusually high short interest, with some speculating that a short squeeze could ignite a rapid multi-day breakout if buying pressure continues to build. Investors now revolve Investor discussions now revolve around identifying ideal entry points and key resistance levels, with some watching closely for news of additional contracts, partnerships, or endorsements that could act as near-term catalysts. As the drone industry remains one of the hottest sectors tied to modern defense and surveillance tech, many are betting that UMAC could ride this wave higher if sentiment and news flow align in the coming days. Yeah. Okay, intraday high in this session is not very long ago, just a few seconds ago, 13.11, up 45 for roughly 46%. As I indicated earlier on, the line trend is strongly bullish. We have up, it hasn't been around long enough, so we don't have extrapolations here. We have 13.66. I think it has printed that now in this session. It's a downward project. No, no. Yeah, okay. Not something close to that. 13.66 upper projection. 15.99, 17.7, 17.44. Those are the upper projections. Let's see what we have on the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, what do we have? We have strength is expected to remain in place up till Monday, the pre-market session of the post-market this post-market session, and then after that we might see a slight decline, and then a slight decline going into Tuesday, yeah, midday of Tuesday the 15th, and then after that the uptrend may resume. These are just extrapolations. No guarantee that they will pan out that way. Down projections 9.71. Yeah, okay. Do we need to see whether we have more ambitious upper projections? Let's see. We have here 13.33. That's the highest here on this 5 minute chart. Let's see what we have on the 1 minute chart. We have 12.57. Let's see whether we had anything before. No, 13.27. I think we may have to refer to our previous records. We may have projections for RC, UMAC. We may have, let me just quickly scan through to see if we had any projections. Let me see whether we had any UMAC. Let's see whether we had any projections of for UMAC. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we may have had, but I really can't see where it is. Sure, we may have had, but in any case, that's what it is. I think. Let's see now. High short interest. Is that really going to be a factor? Is that going to be a factor? Okay, let's come down to the weekly chart. We may find projections here that may be fantastic. Oh yeah, okay, we don't need to go that far. We have them here: 21.99. I'm going to make a note of them: 21.99, 26.79, 35.32, 40.60. Yeah, so we have projections here. So we don't need to go that far. We come back and pick them up from the daily chart. I think they progress from here. UMAC. We have, let's see what we have: 13.66, 15.99, and 17.44. Then we have on the weekly chart 21. We have 21.99, then 26.79, 35.32, and 40.60. Okay, so I have quite a list of them. Yeah, I think if it pulls back, it will present a good buying opportunity, and there's a good chance that it may pull back. We can have a look at the market grid, and we'll just to give us an impression of the market grid. Yeah, it's going to give us downward projections as well. Yeah, this is they're all bunched up. Let's see what we have. We have 9.32, 9.17 going all the way down to 8.06. Yeah, that will be harsh. But it indeed it's something that can happen. But it mustn't come back to those such levels. It mustn't come back to such levels. Let's see what the market grid is saying on the 4-hour chart. Let's see. Okay, here it is still within the market grid. We have it's at 12.6 right now. 12.6, yeah. So it still has 13.17 to retest, 13.11 to retest. So and we have 13.66. Yeah. So yeah, okay. Well, we have the projections. We also have downward projections. Where it can come back to 10 points. I would say if it does come back towards 10.31, that would be the technically a good buying opportunity. That would be a good buying opportunity technically, but that's not a recommendation that you should buy it if it comes down there. We even have a lower price on the daily chart, a lower deep price. You can see that 8.06. So if you thought that one on the 4-hour chart is even lower, there's even a lower price here. The prices are even a lot lower, a lot more conservative here on the daily chart. So we have found projections that go all the way towards 40.6 for UMAC. Has it reached such levels before? No, it has never. The most it has is the highest has printed is 19.28. So we have projections going all the way towards 17.44. Yeah. So see what you make of UMAC, and thank you very much for watching this video.